Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and truck. First, make sure Siri, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi are enabled on your iPhone. CarPlay requires them. Plug a high-quality lightning cable into the truck's USB port labeled with a smartphone icon, or if your Tacoma supports wireless CarPlay, pair via Bluetooth, then accept the Wi-Fi prompt. Once done, unlock your iPhone and accept any permission dialogues. This immediate setup gets the handshake started, so the head unit can recognize and launch CarPlay. After connecting, you'll authorize CarPlay on the iPhone and the Tacoma screen. Tap Allow and choose Always if you want auto launch. On the truck's display, switch the source to CarPlay and rearrange apps or set home screen shortcuts so your most used apps are front and center. Make sure audio output is set to the head unit for navigation and calls. Also, set Do Not Disturb while driving so notifications don't distract you, which keeps your focus and preserves safety. You're now ready to drive with CarPlay. Press and hold the voice button to use Siri for directions, messages, or music. This minimizes manual interaction. When you finish, simply unplug the lightning cable or disable wireless pairing to end the session. If CarPlay doesn't appear, reboot your iPhone first, then try a known good lightning cable and test a different USB port. If problems persist, reboot the Tacoma head unit or check for a software update. These steps usually resolve connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.